Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix PC auto restart after shutdown in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, click Save Changes. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer, click OK. Third method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings, uncheck Automatically Restart, click OK. Fourth method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand Current Version, click and expand WinLogon. Open Power Down after shutdown, change value data to 1, click OK and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.